So I'm gonna go ahead and do number 1 first. Now, I know it's difficult. This is a little easier because I have it with color, okay? So I'm gonna do my blue points first. I'm gonna write them in blue up here for you guys to see, okay? So I have, my first blue point is -7, -5. Nope, -7, 5, okay? Then I go -3, -2. Then I go 5, 0. And then 4, -4, okay? So those are my blue points, okay? I know it's hard to see on your paper, but those are my blue points, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the black points. So I had okay, so look here. Stop a second. Everyone look up here. From this 1 point, can I tell if they're inverses or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Right? Do I see a 3, -4 on this side? Then I know immediately that they're not inverses of each other. Okay? I'm going to write down the rest, so. Boom, I know again. Okay, those are my points. Someone tell me, are they inverses or not?
No.
Why? Good. Right? These are not inverses of one another. This is good here, not here, not here, not here. Okay? So your answer would be no. The ordered pairs are not inverses of one another. So that's how you would write that answer. No, because the ordered pairs are not inverses of one another. Okay. You still writing? Gotta go? Okay, I'm just moving up. Okay? So, somebody yell out step 1 to me for this one. For A. Okay, good. So y equals 2x plus 4. Someone other than Martin, tell me my next step. Good. So now I have x equals 2y plus 4 because I'm changing my x and my y. Someone other than Quentin and Martin. Next step. Good. Subtract 4 from both sides though, right? This cancels out. X minus 4 equals 2y. Someone other than the 3 of them. By? Divide both sides by 2. Right? These cancels out. Am I done? No. Somebody other than whoever volunteered, yell it out. What do I have to do? No Quentin, no G, no Martin, no Sam. Well, we'll sit here and we'll look at each other until somebody else answers. Sorry? Good. Okay, so he wants to change it to replace y with f inverse of x, right? That's my answer. Remember this oh, I forgot to put a 1 there. Okay, this has to be here. That -1, right? Okay, on to B. Somebody yell out. Doesn't matter, somebody. Sorry? Not yet, we gotta put something first.
Replace that with that.
Yeah, see? So we want to make sure that we're always putting y there because it's very easy to get confused, to think that this is x, right? So always put your y there, okay? Always change f of x to y. Now what's my next step? You said it before. Did you say it? What's my next step? I thought you said it. That's why I pointed at you. Anyone?
Change the.
Okay, so I'm flipping my x and my y. Okay? Now, what did I tell you guys on the, okay. Good. Good. But watch how I'm going to do this. 3 times. 3 times. Write it up here like this. Okay? Because watch, I'm going to show you something. Now this, you'll see, it's much easier to see. These 3's cancel out. Okay? Why? Somebody say why? No? Do we see how I did that? Yes, but no. Because look, Quentin, you would have to do 6 divided by 3. What's 6 divided by 3? So that's why I had you write the 3 years. You don't even have to multiply. Just cross them out and you know that it's 2 is left. Okay? So we should have 3x equals 2y plus 18. Does everyone see how I got that? If you don't, please raise your hand. Because on your activity tomorrow, you're going to have fractions, or when I write next to you, you're going to have fractions. Okay? Are we okay with that? So really, all you're doing is multiplying by the denominator every term. Okay? All right, somebody tell me what's next. Good. From both sides, the equal sign. Okay? Make sure you're doing that. Somebody that has not volunteered yet. Next step. Last step, almost. How do I get y by itself? All you peoples. Now, with this, these 2's cancel out, right? But, technically this is saying 3x divided by 2 and negative 18 divided by 2. So on one of those terms, I'm not going to get a fraction, right? Because negative 18 can be divided by 2.
It would be 3x minus.
Well, don't forget, so we have 3x, you can't forget this too. Right? So there, technically, if you want me to write it a little different, I could do this for you so you could see it. Yeah, but not right now. Both of those terms are technically being divided by 2, right? So we have to leave this because this can't be simplified. This can be simplified. Am I done here? Somebody yell it out. Good.
If the 3x was a 4, you would simplify that too.
If what?
If the 3x was a 4.
If the 3x was what?
A 4.
A 4? Then yes, you would simplify. But 3 divided by 2 cannot be simplified. Okay?
What would you do if it was a 4?
If there was a 4 here, then it would just come out as...
Oh, I thought you meant like dividing it by 4.
No. Oh, good. We could. Yes, we could have simplified over here. I just didn't. Okay? My bad. But yes, you can. If you leave it like this and like this, I'm not going to be mad. Okay? I was just showing you. But this technically, I mean, it is... I'd rather see this. Because it's just going to be too much for you guys to just go ahead and do that. Okay? So if you want to leave it as 3x minus 18 all over 2, sounds good to me. Okay? All right, last one. Somebody yell it out.
Change it to a 1.
Good. Oops. Somebody else? Next step. Good. Somebody? Anaya, you had this. What was your next step? You did something to both sides. You had it right. Good. Now, here, I don't need to divide anything, right? Because the y is by itself. So, somebody just tell me how I'm going to write it. What's that little thing mean? This has to be changed. F inverse of x equals x minus 1. Got to get that in your head. F inverse of x. F inverse of x. Okay? That's what this means. Good? Can I flip to the next page?
Oh, that's what it is?
Yep, that's that first page. We good there? Now, these were 3 different questions, okay? Anyone want to yell out? Anyone? Want to do it or not? You had them right.
2, negative 3.
Okay.
4, negative 1. 6, negative 5. 8, negative 6. 10, negative 7.
Okay, that's what that should look like. Right? Just flipped them. Everyone see how she got that? Nobody's confused on that, right? Okay. Now, B is its separate question. So all I want you to do is, now I have a new set. Somebody yell out the first one to me. Good. Okay, next. Good, next. Good, next. Okay, that's your answer there. What did I just do? You guys get the point, okay? Now, up here. Okay, G, you had it good. Yell me out the points. You made order pairs. Yell them to me.
The ones for C.
Yep, the ones for C. The original ones.
Negative 2, 2.
Okay.
Negative 3,
Sorry. -3, -3.
0, negative 5.
0, 5.
Negative,
Well, nope. Let's 0, -5. Okay. 1, 1. 4, 1. 5, 0. Okay? So that's what you should have under that graph. Every time you see a graph, I want you to be writing this. Okay? Somebody flip them for me quick. Somebody flip each order pair. Yvonne, give me one. Flip it.
2, negative 3.
Good. Give me the next one.
Negative 2, negative 3.
Good. Keep going.
Negative 5, 0, 1.
Good.
1, 1.
Good.
1, 4.
Good.
0, 5.
Good. I'm going to graph these, okay? So these should be 2, -2. -3, -3. That one doesn't change, right? -5, 0. 1, 1. 1, 4. 0, 5. Okay? Now, someone tell me quick. Is this a function? Vertical line test. Quentin, you knew it. Function or not a function?
I just knew it was going.
Okay, does anyone remember vertical line test? Function, not a function. Someone take a guess.
Oh, it's not that.
Okay, so we do vertical line. Every dot, draw a vertical line.
It's not a function.
This is a function. Look, if I draw a vertical line on every dot, do I hit more than one dot on every line? Am I?
No.
Good, function. Here I come. Vertical line. I'm good there. I'm good there. I'm good here. Boom. On one vertical line, I hit 2 dots. Not a function. Okay? So I'll put here function. Not a function. Okay? That's important to know. Now listen, I'm going to give you 3 problems for homework tonight. Okay, 3. I'm just going to be 1 equation, 1 probably order pair / table, and 1 graph. Okay? That has to be done on Cami. Okay, I really want to get you guys on and getting on that because when we have to take this quiz, I need you to be able to do it. Okay? Sound good?